Should you become a doctor? 3 traits that every doctor needs. How do you know if you're equipped and have all it takes to become a doctor? Is this career really for you? Today, we're going to discuss how to even answer this question. Before you hit submit and apply to intimidating med school programs, or before you announce it to your family, you might think it's all a pipe dream anyway. You have to figure out if that's even what you want to do. Choosing your career is such a big decision and it's difficult to know where to start. Unfortunately, it is such a personal matter that no one, myself, your family members, your friends, no one can truly answer that but you.
Exactly.
But there are a couple of things you can ask yourself and keep in mind in order to help you make that decision. The first one is resilience. I want to start with this one because I've said it many times, but it's worth mentioning again. There will be many bumps in the road, and if you're not resilient, you will not complete the journey. Becoming a doctor is a long road. You have to go through med school, then residency, and when you think it's done, there'll be more licensing, fellowship if you want, and so on. Again, like I said before, the path to becoming a doctor is truly long and challenging. But that's not only why you need to be resilient. Everyone faces unforeseen obstacles along the way in any career or goal. The reality is that you will need the ability to be able to bounce back. The schooling and studying is hard, but you know what other challenges will come up? You may have family emergencies, missing events, financial struggles, and even a lot of no's along the way.
Oh my God, what is happening?
While resilience is important, it's only half of the equation. When things are not working out the way you planned, the answer isn't to keep doing the same thing over and over while expecting a different result. That's just crazy. But you will need to learn how to adapt. Being adaptable means changing and accepting a different route. It's learning from your mistakes and observing others so that you don't make the same mistakes. It's accepting that you're not going to get all A's, or that the school or residency program that you applied for may no longer have spots available. It's learning that there are no 9-to-5s, and when you are ready to practice with your diploma in hand, you will still have to adapt to the constantly changing field of medicine. And then there's another trait that might be one of my favorites, which is emotional intelligence. Without it, friend, life is so much harder. Being book smart is definitely important in the field. Knowing the facts and research and solutions, that's fine. But trust is one of the foundational components of an effective doctor-patient relationship. You need to learn how to be patient, how to listen, how to interpret their information. Clues that point towards the right diagnosis may be hidden in the patient's complaint, and you need to sort what's relevant and what is not relevant. Opposite to what many people think, being a doctor isn't about diagnosing diseases and prescribing medications. Telling a patient what to do, how to eat, and how often to exercise is often not an effective way to help either. Great physicians empower their patients to take ownership of their health and well-being. So, out of all these 3 traits, can you relate to them? Can you see yourself in the future as a doctor? Let me tell you, the first step to becoming a doctor is believing that you can be one. If you need more step-by-step support, join me in the guided journey, and together, we will work on customizing a plan for you to achieve your dreams. Make sure to like, subscribe, click on the notification bell to not miss any content, and help me spread the word. See you next time.